What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a mod on the E46 that's going to give it the most power it's ever got before. And this part is this. This is an AFE dynamic air scoop. This is literally going to give it no more power gains whatsoever. But I got it for a good deal a really long time ago and it's just been rotting in my room. So I'm going to be putting it in today. This thing should help put some airflow into the intake system just because, as you can see right here, it literally just goes straight in. So right there should kind of put some air in. From what it seems like, all you got to do is take these clips off right here and then this part should come off. I think there's 2 screws and this thing just goes in. So just to be extra clear, this mod literally does no power gains for you. The title's probably clickbait. The thumbnail might even be clickbait too, but I just think it's really funny. So I'm gonna put this in. Alright, with those 2 screws out, I'm pretty sure you literally just push this forward like that and just slide this in. And what's kind of cool is that it actually uses those factory screw mount points right there. So I'm just going to put those 2 screws in that I just took out and this thing should stay in place. So I got the scoop in and this is what it looks like. This mod is definitely just for looks. It was also the easiest thing I've ever installed on this car, which is rare, but I'm pretty sure it's like $120 off their website, and so I would not recommend paying that much for this thing. I think I paid like $20 off someone. I mean, don't buy it unless you're like really thirsty for that extra air that's going here, but I don't think anyone is. Anyway, that's that. It was super easy. It looks kind of cool, I guess. But yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe if you want to see more content on this car and this beautiful engine right here. Adios.